you there at home? Here in Mtoambu, we are very much fine. We thank God that we are doing okay. Hopefully there at home, you are also doing well. Keep in your mind that Corona is still there, regardless that we have very few cases. So we keep on praying, believing that soon and very soon we'll be back to school. As we're waiting for a few days before announced by the government, we are now giving you lessons through online. Okay, welcome in my class this morning. Standard 6, mathematics teacher here am I, Mr. Kinabo. Welcome. Now, today we are going to discuss about adding and subtracting integers by using number lines. Adding and subtracting integers by using number lines. Now, I remember last time we discussed about the concept of integers, what the meaning of integers, what the meaning of negative, what the meaning of positive, what the sign showing us negative, what the sign showing us positive. We have also discussed about opposite of negative and positive. We also discussed about number line, how do we draw number line, how number line is supposed to be appeared, such kind of things. Apart from that, I remember also we discussed a little bit about real life and the integers relation. That's how does negative relate with normal life and how does positive relate with normal life. We have seen negative is like a debt and positive something like yours. Apart from that, I remember I went with you outside. We have seen all steps who concern number lines. So today we are going to present what we have seen in our practical in our exercise books or in written documents. Now, when we are adding integers and subtracting as well as by using number line, we have some steps supposed to be followed. But before you follow those steps, we have 4 rules which you have to remember each and every day before you do anything. And those rules will be consider those signs and 2 operations, which are addition, subtraction, positive, and negative. As we are using those rules, you have to remember about the number line, and you have to remember what you did when we were doing this practical when we went outside the classroom. Now, we have some signs or rules in our charts here. Rule number 1, we have addition sign. Addition sign will be telling us don't turn. I'll be telling you after some times why and how we'll be applying these rules. Addition sign, it is telling us don't turn. We have sign number 2. Subtraction sign. This one. It is telling us turn back. If you are facing now right hand side, you have to face left hand side. That's the meaning of turn back. If you are now looking this way, when someone tells you turn back, you have to turn this way. You have to turn on another side. After subtraction sign, we have positive sign. Positive sign is telling us go forward. Go forward means what? If you are facing right, to go forward, it means you go where you're facing. For example, I'm facing my right side. If I'm facing this way, this is my right side. Now, if I'm facing my right side, then you are telling me go forward, I have to go this way. Then, we have another sign is negative sign. Negative sign is telling me or telling someone go back or come back. I mean, if I am somewhere, then you are telling me go back. Or if you have called me I'm here. You're calling me somewhere. I come, I follow you. Then you're telling me, go back. I have to go where I was before. I have to go back. That's the meaning of go back or come back. Those are 4 important rules to be applied when we operate these integers in either addition or subtracting integers. Now, we have some examples here on the blackboard. We have a chart, I mean. I have example number 1. Example number 1 is telling us -4 plus -2. Now, as I said before, you follow the signs. You follow the sign. First of all, you draw number line. You draw number line. Number line is here, you can see. I've drawn number line. A number line must have 2 sides. Negative side and positive side. But all these 2 sides must be separated by a neutral point, which is 0. So, left of 0 we find negative and right of 0 we find positive. Now, always assume there is someone stand at 0 facing at his or her positive side. This one will be standing here, as you can see, facing at his positive side. Now, when someone facing positive side is standing at 0. Now, the first sign is here, negative. What does negative mean? Negative means come back or go back. It means someone is here at 0, was told to go back. Then, how many steps? Was told to go back 4 steps. Now, from there now, he or she will be counting 4 steps from 0, coming or going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. You find someone will be standing at the negative 4 here. These are 4 steps. Then, from there is an addition sign. An addition sign is telling us, don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn means if you're facing this side, you have to keep on facing this side. So don't turn. Okay. Then, after don't turn, there's another sign here telling you, go back again. It means somebody was at -4. Then she or he has to go back again 2 steps more. So from -4, you go 2 steps. 1, 2. So you find someone is at -6. Now, for this reason, we can see now -4 plus -2 equals to -6. This one is very much true. For example, this one is like you say, we have 4 people test negative COVID-19 virus. Then we have other 2 people test negative COVID-19 virus. Then someone asks you, how many people are testing negative COVID-19 virus? It means we have 6 people who are negative test in COVID-19, which means negative, they don't have positive virus in COVID-19. When you find positive means one is effectively COVID-19 virus. That is example number 1. Let's come to example number 2. Here we'll be doing step by step. Example number 2 is telling us -3 plus +4. -3 plus +4. We have a solution here. We have to go step by step. I said, the first step, we draw number line, what I did here in my chart. You can see my number line. Now let's follow our steps. Make sure when you're doing this, you have your ruler, you have a pencil, you have rubber and all important materials. Now, Now I'm starting. As I said, you start at 0. This man will be standing at 0 here, facing positive side. That's what I've said. Now, the first sign is telling us, go back. If someone facing positive or east, then told to go back or to go back. It means he or she has to go east, western, or to go left from right. So for this reason, from 0, this one was told to go back 3 steps. So you have to count 3 steps. You start from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you find that this man who was at 0 came up to -3. Make sure you draw your line to show that this man walks up to -3. Draw an arm to show this man was going this way. Right here, -3, -3 to show the steps. Okay, now show these steps, you have to show your destination point, which was here. This one, someone will understand this one from 0, still facing positive side. He came 3 steps, but still he or she will be facing at his or her positive side. Then there's another sign here telling us, don't turn. It means this man is still facing at his or her positive side. Okay, don't turn. Now, another sign is go forward. Go forward. It means he has to go where he or she is facing. When you're told to go forward, you go where you are facing. So, from now, -3, where the man is, he has to go forward 4 steps. So, you can just take again your pencil, then you go forward 4 steps. You start 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see now from -3, which is here, now you can draw another line here to show the man started his journey from here up to, you can see his destination ended at +1. So that you have to show here. You have to show that this man was told to go forward 4 steps. Now you can see after going forward 4 steps, he will be ending at +4. So here you have to show this man went forward 4 steps. That is step number 2. Step number 3, take now your ruler to conclude for your answer by using number line. And always when you conclude for your answer, you must again start from 0 up to the destination point or up to your answer. For that reason, our answer is +1. So you draw another line from 0, this is 0, this is 0, from here, up to +1. Draw a line here, showing, man start from here to here. Don't forget this one, right here, +1. So, when someone comes, we'll understand. -3 plus +4, the answer is +1. Because all important steps are well shown. Then you have to conclude by saying now, -3 plus +4 equals to positive, right here, +1. So, that is example number 2. So, my dear pupil there at home, you have seen the steps which I have followed from step number 1 up there last step. But remember, before I proceed, when you're adding, when you're drawing or following those signs and rules, make sure these numbers which you're following are steps, and don't follow the number where it is. Make sure you follow the steps. For example, when you see positive 4, don't find where it's positive 4. No. Go 4 steps from where you were before. Now, last example but not the least, let's see how we can take away or subtract integers by using number line. Here we have another example telling us -6. Take away or subtract -4. Now, the same steps supposed to be used as we said before. Step number 1. Remember those rules. Okay, what is the rule number 1? Now, from our question now, first step you draw number line, like the one which I did, as you can see here in my chart. Now, it's telling us negative. What's negative tell us? Remember, the person is always standing at 0, facing positive side. As you can see, negative is our first sign. And negative is telling us go back. Now, from 0, he or she has to go back some steps given. 6 steps. Don't follow for -6. Go 6 steps from 0. So from 0, you have to go 6 steps back at the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, take your ruler, draw a line showing where the man has started his movement up to the destination point. So here you draw a line from 0 up to, from 0 up to here. Here is showing us this one is -6. Make sure you write there -6 to show someone this one was going back 6 steps. -6. Then, now you can see this one is a -6. We have another sign here telling us turn back. Turn back. So I have to turn back from here. Now this one will be turning back now from there. Now I'm facing my negative side. Then -4. -4. If I'm facing positive, negative, then you are told to go back. You have to go back. You have to come this way. This is back. Come this way. Now, for this reason, from -6, go back 4 steps. Take again your pencil. From -6 now, come some steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see now this man is at -2. So draw, take again a ruler and a pencil. Draw your line from where he started his journey, from -6 up to where he ended, -2. I'll show this way. 2. Right here, -4. Someone will understand this one was coming back 4 steps. So, you can see this is our destination point. And here is where our answer will be. Now, for that reason, I say, when you conclude for your answer, make sure you draw another line from 0 up to your answer, which is -2. So take a ruler again, you draw another line from 0, draw even there, have no problem, up to where you go, you have to do your destination point, which was here. Sure that your answer will be found at negative side, this one here. Then you write your answer there is negative 2. This reason, negative 6, take away or subtract negative 4, the result or the answer is negative 2. So that you have to conclude for your answer by writing on your answer space, the answer is negative 2. This is our answer. Now, my dear people, here I've explained a lot about adding and subtracting integers. Up to this juncture, I have nothing to proceed, but what I can advise, more exercise are needed, more practice are needed and required to be done by you there at home. Put you on your mind, mathematics need practice. After these few examples which I gave you above, I'll give you some few questions concerning the subject matter or the concept we have discussed there above. Then the exercise will be done in your exercise books by following the procedures which we use to follow always. I mean, you have to arrange your work, question, working space, and answer. Remember to use number lines and don't use pen or don't use any ink material to draw either number line or any other drawing materials. Make sure you use pencil, ruler, and a pen to write. Up to this juncture, I'm just advising you, Corona still around. Be at home. Unnecessary movement is not so much important. If it is possible, don't move too much. Stay home, stay very safe, pray for us. We are also praying for you. Respect your elders, respect your neighbors, each and everyone. Be the bodyguard of your friend and your family. Welcome, Mwalimu Wana English Medium School. We love you so much. Bye-bye.